Yo, hello traders, it's your one and only Forex Q coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. Okay, in my previous video I taught you guys about a simple candlestick secret that you never knew, and a lot of people are indeed learning a lot from that video. Okay, that's because not everybody really know that the candlestick could be as effective as that in the market. And that's what I'm about to show you guys again using the volatility index, because I had quite a lot of people coming to my DM on Telegram and asking me, team, does this strategy work for volatility index, boom and crash, this and that? So I decided to make that video even using my phone, so that I'm going to make the analysis and show you clearly how you can do the same thing and apply it on any market. Okay, so if you really want to learn something new today on this, why not hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on in case if this is your first time on my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful to you. All right guys, so back here on the chart, so I'm gonna have to slant my screen in order for me to be able to show you guys a clearer view of the analysis that I made, how I took the entry, and the things I looked out for. Okay,
please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.
All right guys, so if you observe, you will notice where I took my entry from. All right, if you observe, you notice where I took my entry from. Remember what I taught you guys in the previous video. Please, if you haven't watched my previous video where I talked about the candlestick secret, you want to watch that video because it's going to teach you a lot. Okay, so but I'm just going to make a little recap about it. When you want to make analysis, trader, do not neglect all this wick you see here. You see all this candlestick wick, don't neglect them. They have effects in the markets, and if you get to notice and observe, you will notice that I took this entry with the analysis that I've made using the same strategy, the wick of candlesticks. Okay, you can see the wick. That's what I used to map out a zone, and that's the exact zone where I took this entry. Okay, that's the exact zone where I took this entry, and market currently is pushing to the upside. Okay, now how do I make this analysis? So let me use volatility volatility 100 as an example. Okay, so I'll just have to clear all this so that I can start afresh and show you the right way to analyze your market. Okay, the right way to analyze your market and taking advantage of the candlesticks that you see in the market. Let's say, for instance, you want to plot out your support and your resistance. Okay, yes, good. You have here to be your resistance. You have here to be your support. All right, you have here to be support, and you have here to also be support. You can also bring out another support here, since this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, then we head over to the 1-hour time frame. Now in the 1-hour time frame, we can see we have quite some wick. All right, so now what we want to do here right now in the 1-hour time frame is we want to bring out the trend line, draw it out to the future. Then you want to bring out your rectangle. All right, okay, so that's that for that end. All right, then another place we have something to look out for. You can see this wick here. You drag it to the future. So you want to bring out your horizon, your square. All right, let's check out something else we want to also work on. Price has actually created another wick around here again. Okay, it has created another wick here again, which we are going to also use for the future to come. But for now, we have this zone and we have this zone. Okay, there's still other zones. As we can see, we still have other wicks here. All right, so even if you want to map out those ones, you can still bring out a trend line from, let's say, from here. You can bring out another one, drag it out to the future, put your rectangle inside of it. So with these already, you can see we have 3 different zones. So all the zones I've mapped out are zones that I'm going to be looking forward to taking entry anytime I find price anywhere around here in the future. In that case, if this guy comes down here right now, I might likely place a buy. Why? Because I anticipate that once it gets here, there will have to be a push. So if anything ever happens to push this guy all the way from here to break out of this zone, then my next point of entry should be around this zone. Because this zone has held market a whole lot of times in the future, you see the way it held here, it held here, it held here so many times. Anything can happen. When price comes here, it could likely break through. Then when it comes here, this might likely be my final place to place a strong sell. Do you know there's something we call strong buy, strong sell, and soft buy and soft sell? When we say strong sell, it means you're trading aggressively, like you know that man is going to walk out from here. So you're confident about it to the extent that you can likely want to trade it with a good amount of lot size. That's a strong sell. So this is going to be my zone for a strong sell, in the sense that if market disrespects this zone because of the things that have happened before around here, and disrespects here because of the things that have happened around here, man, when it comes here, whatever that has happened here in the past has just happened twice. 1, 2. So there's every tendency that market is going to push up back from here, back to the upside. Back to the upside. So I think I'm going to leave this analysis like this, so that maybe when I make another video next time, we'll check it out to see if it really played out like that. So what am I trying to teach you guys here? I'm trying to teach you how to take advantage of the wicks of your candlesticks. Even all these things you see here, you can still take advantage of it. All right, you can still take advantage of these things you're seeing here. All these wicks, they have strength in them. In fact, sometimes I even consider them to be more stronger than the body when it comes to reversal. Do you know why I say so? Because you'll get to notice that you always see wicks. Almost all the time, you always see wicks. Anytime there's a reversal, you always see candlestick wicks. You can see wick here, and there was a reversal. After it pushed down, there was wick, there was a reversal. After it pushed down, there was a wick here, there was a reversal. After the push up from here, you can see wicks, it pushed down. See wicks, it pushed up. You can see the wick here. All right, you can see the wick here, it pushed up. See the wick here, it pushed down. So there is always a wick. You will always see candlestick wicks in every reversals or even retracements. So for you to always see this thing means that there is a significance of it. It has an effect in the market. I hope you understand what I'm saying, traders. If you really understand what I'm saying, why not smash the like button if you love what I'm teaching you, and leave a comment. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section. So I would love to talk about it in my next video. What I want to do here is to teach you guys so that you can learn and be profitable also in this market. All right, so there is nothing to hide from you. I'm giving you guys back to back. That is why you want to make sure you hit the subscribe button if this is your first time, and turn the notification bell on so that you will continue to get all the things that I give you guys out for free and learn. So let me know if you have any question at all. I'll be happy to answer it in my next video. All right, so for the meantime, traders, make sure you stay safe and keep winning.
Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.